So when you're using Warden, you've got a choice. You can use the agents directly within the agent hub, so you can pick out the individual agents that you like, or you can use this chat box. We call this the Ask Me Anything agent, and it's literally that. You use it to ask it any task. So I want to know the weather in Paris today. Just like you'd use ChatGPT or you'd use the search bar in your internet browser, you can use the Ask Me Anything agent to go out there and source information for you. So there we go, I've got the weather. Now I want to know the price of Ethereum. So what the Ask Me Anything agent is doing is understanding what the question is and then directing that question or task to the right sub-agent. So think about the Ask Me Anything agent as an orchestrator. It's deciding which of the Warden agents are best suited to the task and directing that task to them. So I'm going to completely change context here, and I'm going to do a swap, and I'm going to say swap. We've got some Solana in my wallet there. I've got some USDC. Swap $5 of USDC for Sol. And that kind of request is going to go to the swap agent, and it's going to know that. It's going to figure out which of the swap agents on Ethereum, BNB chain, Base, or Solana is best suited for this, and it's figured out that you're trying to do a Solana swap. So it's identified that for you. I'm selling 5 USDC for Solana. I'm going to approve that, and then the agent's going to go and do that for you. It's that simple. It's that easy. The whole point of the Ask Me Anything agent is to abstract all the complexity you have when you're navigating in Web3 and DeFi, where you've got to pick the dApp, the correct wallet for it, approve multiple transactions, do all of these agentic things out of one interface. That's the Ask Me Anything agent. That's what Warden's trying to achieve, making Web3 and finance and using any agent super seamless and easy. Now, you can also choose to use an agent directly out of the agent hub. Think of the agent hub where you discover the different agents that are available to you. So we've got an EVM-based swap agent, we've got a deep research agent, we've got Solana swap agent on Jupiter, we've got social media analysis, we have a dollar cost averaging agent. Really the level of things you can do with agents in Warden is increasing every single day, and we recently launched this community hub. This community hub is a showcase for anyone building an agent that publishes their agent onto Warden. You'll be able to do that permissionlessly very soon in the next week, and that will show immediately here in the hub, and you'll be able to monetize your agent. So it's a way to discover cutting edge brand new agents available all within the community hub here. So I'm going to show you one of these. I'm going to show you the portfolio analysis agent here. This was built by a talented group of developers in our community as a pilot for the community hub. So what can it do? Let's go into it. Analyze my portfolio, showing which tokens are underperforming. How has my portfolio changed? Let's do that. How has my portfolio changed in the last week? So it's a great example of a team of community developers building a really useful agent. I would use this daily, weekly to get insight into what's happening into my wallet. And this is a snapshot, a snippet of the kind of things that you can expect coming into the Community Agent Hub. They're going to cover all ranges of tools, from productivity through to trading, through to research, and they'll be available at your fingertips in the hub here. So this agent right now is analyzing my portfolio. Let's see what kind of insight it comes back with. Okay, so here we go. It's given me a week-on-week, almost P&L here. It's listed all the assets, my profits and loss. It's pretty red. We've had a pretty horrible couple of weeks. What's some takeaways here? Well, it's decreased. Ethereum, Solana have been the worst performers. Some observations. Okay, that's really useful. That's actionable insight I can use going forward.